Welcome to Coco Finance, where today's adventure takes us into the heart-stirring and deliciously vibrant universe of starting a candy shop business. A venture that stretches across the digital expanse and blossoms in the concrete jungle of retail. Imagine for a moment the thrill of channeling your passion for sweets into a thriving enterprise, or the charm of curating a physical space that becomes a sanctuary for those seeking a sugar fix. Let's embark on this sugary journey with enthusiasm and a sprinkle of innovation. Venturing into the online realm, your first step is to create a website that doesn't just sell candy, but tells a story. Imagine a platform where users can virtually walk through candy lanes, interact with the products via augmented reality, and perhaps even customize their candy boxes with a few clicks. Think about integrating video content where you or local confectioners share the magic behind the candy-making process, providing a behind-the-scenes look that adds depth and connection to the sweets on display. But why stop at static interactions? Envision a section for live candy-making workshops, a subscription service for monthly candy surprises tailored to preferences, or interactive polls that decide your next candy flavor. Your website can become a community hub, a place where candy isn't just purchased but celebrated and co-created. Now let's shift gears to the tangible dream of opening a physical candy store. This isn't about just stocking shelves with sweets. It's about crafting an immersive experience. Imagine a store design inspired by the whimsical worlds of classic children's literature or the vibrant scenes from candy-centric movies. Each section of your store could transport customers to different parts of the world through international candy selections, complete with themed decor and ambient music. Consider hosting weekly events like Taste the World candy sampling, candy-making classes for kids and adults, or seasonal festivities that transform your store into a must-visit destination throughout the year. Partner with local schools for field trips that offer educational insights into the history and science of candy making, blending entertainment with learning. Beyond the allure of your offerings, focus on sustainability and community engagement. Source eco-friendly packaging, support small-scale artisan candy makers by featuring their products, and organize community events like Candy for a Cause fundraisers. For the online and physical stores to synergize, create an omni-channel experience. Use your physical location for exclusive online event broadcasts, integrate in-store pickup options for online orders, and feature customer stories and reviews from your physical store on your website. This strategy not only streamlines operations, but also strengthens the bond with your customers, offering them multiple ways to engage with your brand. In expanding this candy empire, remember, it's not just about the sweetness of your products, but the memorable experiences you create and the community you build. Whether it's through the stories shared on your website, the interactive experiences you offer online, or the immersive world you create in your store, each element should resonate with the joy and wonder candy brings into our lives. As we wrap up this segment on Coco Finance, let's remember that diving into the candy shop business is a journey of creativity, connection, and most importantly, fun. This is your opportunity to bring a dash of sweetness into the world, creating spaces, both virtual and physical, where joy, innovation, and candy collide. So, to all the dreamers, planners, and soon-to-be candy shop owners, here's to embarking on a venture that promises to be as rewarding as it is sweet. Stay inspired, embrace the endless possibilities, and let's make the world a bit sweeter, one candy at a time.